What's up, YouTube? Jeff back again today with a very exciting Samsung video for you guys. Today, I'm very happy to bring you guys some very good news. That's right, no tricks today. We have all treats. Samsung has brought back the GIF capture feature to Smart Select. After all the Samsung community came together, we told them how much we love the feature. Samsung has listened to that feedback and pushed an update to the Smart Capture application, which allows you to now do GIF capture again. They also made some other improvements that people were asking for and complained about with the new AI-powered Smart Select in One UI 6.1.1. So we're going to cover all those changes today. Before we get started, I want to thank my 4-year-old son, Jonathan. He gave us the blue parasol office over here hanging out on the side. Always appreciate him giving us some cool toys for the video. If you guys haven't yet, make sure you check out our website, sammyguru.com. Cover the latest Samsung news, tips, tricks, tutorials, and reviews. We actually covered this story as it was breaking the other day before the update was widely rolling out. So if you want to be the first to know about stuff like this, definitely check out the website. If you're in the United States, you can also get in on our mystery box program. Click here, you'll get put your phone number, your email in, or both. You get a free case, cleaning kit, desktop phone stand, other randomly inserted goodies. We do gift cards and things like that as well. It's all free. You guys don't pay anything additional. You use our Samsung affiliate link to order. That's how we cover the cost of all the items and the shipping costs as well. You don't have to pay anything to receive the box. The link's in the pinned comment description if you are interested. So this was rolling out starting yesterday, the 16th. I got it this morning, which is the 17th, Thursday, October 17th is when I received the update. And it's not rolling out everywhere just yet. So you may not have it, but it's version 5.8.56.4. If we go to the Galaxy Store here, I'll show you. I received the update right there, 57.85 megabytes. So as far as being an update to Samsung Capture, that's a pretty large update. It does say officially updated October 17th here in the US, even though it started rolling out in Europe yesterday, the 16th. There's the version number I just mentioned, and here is that beautiful changelog with the #1 improvement and addition. You can now create animations, GIFs in Smart Select. There are 3 other features, but let me show you the GIF feature because there is a little bit of a problem here. It still doesn't work perfectly as you might hope. If you're using YouTube, for instance, in fact, I had a video open that I was playing around with this. If you go in here and you have a video playing. So let's say I'm watching this video. This is one of my favorite channels about fountain pens. I'm a fountain pen collector. And I've got the video on and I want to create a GIF. So I'm going to go to Smart Select here on the Edge panel. It will automatically minimize the video still. And yes, you can actually create a GIF from this, but why would you want it in this little box? So you can go here to the 3 dots and hit Create GIF. But obviously that's not what you want to do. You obviously want to create it in this larger format up here. So in order to do that, you actually have to have the video paused in the beginning and then go into the Edge panel and choose Smart Select and then, draw around the area. You can actually just tap on the area and expand it now. This is actually one of the other new features, which I'll go through the changelog in a second. And then once you do that, you can go to the 3 dots menu and hit Create GIF. It brings up the recording and then you can hit play on it and then hit record, and it will go ahead and start recording the GIF. Now you can either do high quality or standard quality just like you could before. 15 seconds is the maximum. It shows you the size of the file. You can hit stop, and once you hit stop, you can edit it. You'll see a preview. Edit it, share it, or you can save it to your gallery. So this is still not ideal because like I said, as soon as you're watching a video on YouTube like this view, if you have pop-up view enabled, you hit Smart Select, it's going to automatically pop it down to the bottom corner. So you still have to do a little bit of extra work to create GIFs versus the old version of Smart Select where you didn't have to have that extra step. So the other features that they mention here, if we just go back to the changelog, I showed one of them kind of already. Pinning is now available directly from the toolbar after selecting an area that has anything, not just video. You can now drag the selected area to adjust the position. And they've also made the touch range modified so it's easier to adjust the selected area. And you can also draw an outline around the area, or you can also simply touch to smartly select it using AI. So they improve the touch range and the AI capability of determining what it is you want to select. So for the pinning, that actually also has a little bug that I noticed. So if you use Smart Select, let's grab an area. You can see the pin, I didn't even notice it because it's actually grayed out. You see how all the other icons have this white contrasting like text? This one right here, the icon for the pin, you can actually see I moved it down there. This one is grayed out, but if you tap it, it does work. So then it pins the image right here to your screen. So pinning does work. It's just grayed out, and it doesn't really seem to matter. You know, of course, once you have the pen, you can do whatever you want with it, save it, you know, anything. But it doesn't seem to work no matter what area you highlight. I tried highlighting a bunch of areas. The pinning text is always grayed out, but it does work. So that seems like maybe a little bug that they can fix with the pinning. Now, in terms of the improved selection area and kind of adjustments, a lot of people complain that you would always get like this rounded rectangle on the new version. In the past, you could choose oval and stuff like that. There is no oval option. That's not here yet. But you can now drag these corners to select the area appropriately. You can see here. And this does make it easier to select areas that are not exactly, you know, the shape that AI kind of chose on the version that they originally implemented in One UI 6.1.1. You can also edit this, of course, you know, and you can play with it inside the edit as well. So, you know, there's multiple things you can do. And again, they also made it so that now it's better at determining if you just touch something, what it is you want to select. So you can get a lot of different shapes that way. Like if you touch the icons, if I touch the whole thing, if I touch just the date, you know, the different parts of the widget, it does a pretty good job of kind of determining what it is you want and then giving you some options that are based on that. So obviously the return of the GIF feature is the big highlight here. There are a couple bugs though that Samsung needs to improve. Namely, the pin button is grayed out, even though it does work. And I still think we would like it if perhaps it's possible for the window not to minimize if you're watching YouTube and have pop-up view enabled. It would be nice if you could just go ahead and create your GIF directly without having to pause it first. But that may not be possible with the way the YouTube app now works with pop-up mode. So that could be a limitation that Samsung has to work with Google on at this point as well, just depending on how they're implementing the new version of Smart Select. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification icon for future videos like this. A lot more great content coming. One UI 7.0. We got a busy year here, ending off 2024, and of course, getting ready for the S25 launch. Check out sammyguru.com, bookmark. We got a full writing staff over there now covering Samsung all the time. Check out the mystery boxes if you're in the US, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks a lot for watching.